Hi guys, story time ulit. So after what? 2 months siguro since the last time nag-upload ako here on YouTube. Kasi kakatapos lang namin ng training last Friday. But very fortunate. Ako, very grateful, super blessed na nagkaroon ako ng client few days before ng graduation. So, on that part, hindi ako nahirapan. Hindi na ako dumaan dun sa waiting period, yung pinakamahirap na part. So, yan, super blessed and super grateful na nabigyan ako ng ganitong opportunity. So, yes, if you have any questions, you can drop it sa comment down below. Or yeah. Tsaka, if you need any assistance, pwede kayong mag-comment dyan. Only, ang masishare ko lang yung mga information na pwede kong ma-share. And, yes, training was so hectic, so exhausting, but so rewarding. Looking back, naisip ko yung day 1, parang parang dami kong questions at the back of my mind, ano kayang mangyayari, kakayanin ko ba? Pero here I am, on the other side, on the purple side, with the client, working. As of now, naka-break ako by 1 p.m. California time. Babalik ako kasi I'm on training with the client. So, yeah, I'm gonna insert some of the clips or photos, yung journey ko during ng entire 2 months of my training. So, yeah, watch out guys. And, yeah, drop down your questions. Yung kaya kong sagutin, sasagutin ko. Thank you. Bye-bye. Hi guys, so ito na nga, start na ng orientation. Start na ng puyatan. Antok ako ngayon. Good luck sa night shift. Hi guys, so today, July 17th, Arizona time, so Philippine time, it's July 18 at around 5:42 a.m. I will update you. Kaninang umaga, around mga 10:30 a.m. natapos yung client interview, so yes, hired na ako on week 7 ng training. So, hindi pa tapos yung training, pero nagka-client interview na, and na-hired na rin. But, we have to wait for further instructions kung ano yung next namin na gagawin. And for now, waiting game and continue with the activities sa training. But, truly grateful na nagkaroon na rin ako ng client unexpected kasi it's still very early, hindi pa tapos yung training, but really I'm very thankful kasi syempre start na tayo mag-earn. Although at first ang iniisip ko is at least a week or two, sana na makapag-rest muna bago magkaroon ng client kasi to be honest, the entire training is pretty exhausting, pretty tiring, pero ngayon ko na-realize, or even earlier, na-realize ko na this will all be worth it. And worth it nga. Training-wise, parang ang hirap sa isip. Looking back, nakakapagod, ang hirap, nakakakaba. Pero ngayon, finally, we're almost at the end of the training. And I'm truly grateful for all the blessings. At grateful na nakayanan ko talaga lahat. So yeah, we'll update you soon.